Welcome to day 3. Today, we will practice breath counting. This is a simple way to steady attention. Find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes, or keep them slightly open with a soft gaze. Let your hands rest naturally. Take one slow breath in, and slowly breathe out. Now let the breath return to its natural rhythm. No need to control it. No need to make it deeper. Just let the breath happen. Today, we count the breath. Each time you breathe out, silently count one number. Breathing in, breathing out. 1. Breathing in, breathing out. 2. Continue like this up to 10. After 10, return to 1. If you lose count, return to 1. No pressure. No judgment. Just the breath and the number. If your attention moved away, that is okay. Notice it. Return to 1. There is nothing to achieve, nothing to force. Just one breath, one number. If thoughts appear, let them be there. You do not need to follow them. Return to the next out breath. Counting is not a test. It is only an anchor. A simple place for attention to rest. If the mind is quiet, notice that. If the mind is busy, notice that too. Then return to the count. Now let go of the counting. Stop counting. Just feel the breath. Notice the breath coming in. Notice the breath going out. Maybe the mind feels steady. Maybe it feels the same. Both are okay. The practice is simply returning. Take one final slow breath in. And slowly breathe out. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. This was day 3. Day 4. We will practice coming back with just one breath. For now, remember, one breath, one number, one moment.